Welcome to Future Human Science, where we delve into the cutting-edge intersections of technology and science. Today, we're exploring a critical and ever-evolving topic, the future of cybersecurity, protecting data in a digital world. We'll uncover the latest advancements, emerging threats, and strategies to safeguard our digital lives as technology continues to advance. As we increasingly rely on digital technologies for everything from personal communication to business operations, the importance of cybersecurity has never been greater. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems, networks, and data from digital attacks, theft, and damage. With the rise of sophisticated cyber threats and the growing volume of sensitive data, the future of cybersecurity is both challenging and promising. To understand the future of cybersecurity, let's first examine the current landscape. Cyber threats come in many forms, including malware, ransomware, phishing attacks, and data breaches. These threats can have devastating consequences, from financial losses to reputational damage and personal privacy violations. Organizations and individuals alike must employ a range of security measures to defend against these risks. One of the foundational elements of modern cybersecurity is the use of strong authentication methods. Traditional passwords are increasingly inadequate due to their vulnerability to theft and brute force attacks. In response, multi-factor authentication, MFA, has become a standard practice. MFA adds an additional layer of security by requiring users to provide 2 or more forms of verification, such as a password and a fingerprint scan, or a password and a one-time code sent to a mobile device. This makes it much harder for unauthorized users to gain access to sensitive information. Encryption is another crucial component of cybersecurity. Encryption involves encoding data so that it can only be read by someone with the correct decryption key. This is essential for protecting data both in transit and at rest. Advanced encryption algorithms, such as the ES, Advanced Encryption Standard, ensure that data remains secure even if intercepted by malicious actors. As computing power increases, encryption methods are continually updated to stay ahead of potential threats. Despite these advancements, cyber threats are evolving rapidly. Cybercriminals are increasingly using sophisticated techniques, such as artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, to launch more effective attacks. AI-driven malware can adapt to evade detection by traditional security systems, while machine learning algorithms can be used to identify and exploit vulnerabilities at an alarming speed. To combat these advanced threats, the field of cybersecurity is turning to innovative technologies. One such technology is behavioral analytics. This approach involves monitoring user behavior and identifying anomalies that may indicate a security breach. For example, if an employee suddenly accesses files they don't normally interact with, or logs in from an unusual location, behavioral analytics can flag these activities as potential threats. By analyzing patterns and trends, organizations can detect and respond to threats more quickly and accurately. Another promising development is the use of blockchain technology in cybersecurity. Blockchain is a decentralized ledger that records transactions across multiple computers, ensuring that the data cannot be altered without the consensus of the network. This technology can enhance security by providing a tamper-proof record of transactions and activities. It has potential applications in areas such as secure voting systems, identity verification, and supply chain management. Quantum computing is another frontier with significant implications for cybersecurity. Quantum computers have the potential to break current encryption algorithms by performing complex calculations at speeds beyond the reach of classical computers. This presents both a challenge and an opportunity. On one hand, quantum computing could render existing encryption methods obsolete. On the other hand, it also opens the door to new forms of quantum encryption, which could offer unprecedented levels of security. Researchers are actively exploring quantum-resistant algorithms and developing new encryption methods to prepare for the quantum future. Zero Trust architecture is an approach gaining traction in cybersecurity. Unlike traditional security models that rely on perimeter defenses, Zero Trust operates on the principle that no user or system should be trusted by default, regardless of whether they are inside or outside the network. Instead, Zero Trust requires continuous verification of users and devices before granting access to resources. This approach minimizes the risk of insider threats and limits the potential impact of a breach. In addition to technological advancements, cybersecurity is also becoming more integrated with overall organizational strategy. Companies are recognizing the importance of building a robust security culture that includes employee training, risk management, and incident response planning. Regular security awareness training helps employees recognize phishing attempts, avoid falling victim to social engineering attacks, and follow best practices for data protection. Collaboration and information sharing are also crucial in the fight against cyber threats. Government agencies, private companies, and cybersecurity organizations are working together to share intelligence on emerging threats, develop standards and best practices, and coordinate responses to cyber incidents. Initiatives such as the Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, CISA, and the Global Forum on Cyber Expertise, GFC, play vital roles in fostering international cooperation and enhancing global cybersecurity efforts. As we look to the future, the field of cybersecurity will continue to evolve in response to new threats and technological advancements. The integration of AI, blockchain, and quantum computing, along with a focus on zero trust architecture and security culture, will shape the next generation of cybersecurity practices. In conclusion, the future of cybersecurity is both challenging and exciting. As technology advances, so too do the methods used by cybercriminals. However, by embracing innovative technologies, adopting robust security practices, and fostering collaboration, we can better protect our digital lives and ensure a safer online environment for everyone.